Did you catch this in Black Lightning? The character of Lynn Pierce's quasi-canonical relationship with another member of the DC's Justice League is the actual twist in the story, actually one that has been a hint to earlier Arrowverse episodes. Despite the fact that Black Lightning just refers to her as Lynn, people who are familiar with the comics on which the show is based are aware that her real name is Lynn Pierce, and her maiden name is Stewart, as in the Earth's Green Lantern. The producer never had the chance to delve into Lynn's biography beyond the fact that she was married to Jefferson because the comic book series was terminated after only 11 issues. According to lore in the industry, Isabella's initial purpose was to explicitly state that Black Lightning was married to the sister of the Green Lantern.